Greenwich Mean Time is the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London, reckoned from midnight, at different times in the past. It has been calculated in different ways, including being calculated from noon. As a consequence, it cannot be used to specify a precise time unless a context is given. English speakers often use GMT as a synonym for Coordinated Universal Time. In modern usage, this is incorrect. GMT is now a time zone, not a time reference. For navigation, it is considered equivalent to UT1, but this meaning can differ from UTC by up to 0.9 s. The term GMT should not thus be used for certain technical purposes requiring precision. Because of Earth's uneven angular velocity in its elliptical orbit and its axial tilt, noon GMT is rarely the exact moment the Sun crosses the Greenwich meridian and reaches its highest point in the sky there. This event may occur up to 16 minutes before or after noon GMT. A discrepancy calculated by the equation of time. Noon GMT is the annual average moment of this event, which accounts for the word mean in Greenwich Mean Time. Originally, astronomers considered a GMT day to start at noon, while for almost everyone else it started at midnight. To avoid confusion, the name Universal Time was introduced to denote GMT as counted from midnight. Astronomers preferred the old convention to simplify their observational data, so that each night was logged under a single calendar date. Today, Universal Time usually refers to UTC or UT1. The term GMT is especially used by bodies connected with the United Kingdom, such as the BBC World Service, the Royal Navy, and the Met Office, and others particularly in Arab countries, such as the Middle East Broadcasting Centre and OSN. It is a term commonly used in the United Kingdom and countries of the Commonwealth, including Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Malaysia, and in many other countries of the Eastern Hemisphere. As the United Kingdom developed into an advanced maritime nation, British mariners kept at least one chronometer on GMT to calculate their longitude from the Greenwich meridian, which was considered to have longitude 0 degrees, by a convention adopted in the International Meridian Conference of 1884. Synchronization of the chronometer on GMT did not affect shipboard time, which was still solar time. But this practice, combined with mariners from other nations drawing from Neville Maskelyne's method of lunar distances, based on observations at Greenwich, led to GMT being used worldwide as a standard time independent of location. Most time zones were based upon GMT, as an offset of a number of hours, ahead of GMT, or behind GMT. Greenwich Mean Time was adopted across the island of Great Britain by the Railway Clearing House in 1847 and by almost all railway companies by the following year, from which the term, railway time, is derived. It was gradually adopted for other purposes, but a legal case in 1858 held local mean time to be the official time. On the 14th of May 1880, a letter signed by Clarke to justices appeared in the Times, stating that Greenwich time is now kept almost throughout England, but it appears that Greenwich time is not legal time. For example, our polling booths were opened, say, at 8:13 and closed at 4:13 p.m. This was changed later in 1880, when Greenwich Mean Time was legally adopted throughout the island of Great Britain. GMT was adopted in the Isle of Man in 1883, in Jersey in 1898 and in Guernsey in 1913. Ireland adopted GMT in 1916, supplanting Dublin Mean Time. Hourly time signals from Greenwich Observatory were first broadcast on the 5th of February 1924, rendering the time ball at the observatory redundant. The daily rotation of the Earth is irregular. This raw form of UT was relabeled UT0 and effectively superseded by refined forms UT1 and UT2. Indeed, even the Greenwich meridian itself is not quite what it used to be, defined by the center of the transit instrument at the observatory at Greenwich. Although that instrument still survives in working order, it is no longer in use, and now the meridian of origin of the world's longitude and time is not strictly defined in material form but from a statistical solution resulting from observations of all time determination stations which the BIPM takes into account when coordinating the world's time signals. Nevertheless, the line in the old observatory's courtyard today differs no more than a few meters from that imaginary line which is now the prime meridian of the world. Historically, GMT has been used with two different conventions for numbering hours. The long-standing astronomical convention, dating from the work of Ptolemy, was to refer to noon as 0 hours. This contrasted with the civil convention of referring to midnight as 0 hours dating from the Roman Empire. The latter convention was adopted on and after the 1st of January 1925 for astronomical purposes, resulting in a discontinuity.